This Gales Properties property video is presented by Brent Christians. This lovely two-story home is situated in the core area yet offers a few acres for your horses or 4-H pets and backs to greenbelt to add that forest feel. There is a 1,200 square feet garage and man cave/workshop even has heat. Pavement is close by and this is towards the end of the cul-de-sac, adding extra privacy. Second floor offers the master ensuite including a large walk-in closet and oversized jetted soaking tub. The main living area is on this level as well with a nice sized kitchen. There is a gas stove in the living room with blowers and a large private deck off the dining room area. The front of the home offers a large covered deck as well. Half bath on second floor. Downstairs has 3 bedrooms, a full bathroom, additional living room, laundry room, exercise area and a nice sized flex room that could be used for many things. New exterior stain and metal wains coating added recently. For more information.